Tnat Puthi kala Pynjlan ni Tarik ka Khatduh ban Pynpoi kino objection certificate ki board penyat ki Skul SSA shaka khatsan Tarik ujemang. Ya kani la pentikna do director Jong School Education and Literacy iba bantai lang je kharshandi. President Jong Kamiglaya SSA School Association iba Aristotle si Rimbai ila pentip bapalat 8,000 teli na palat lai 1,000 teli ki school bala penyat di kisnong kila penpau ke jengkwa ban bujli ke bor penyat na ke SSA syaka Tnat Puthi.
Today we have decided to extend the deadline up to May 15th because we are seeing that many of the community managed SSA schools still have a lot of queries, still have a lot of doubts. So because of that, we have decided to extend the deadline to 15th of May. Right now, we are concentrating on community managed SSA schools. So there are also other SSA schools which are being managed by the religious groups, by private individuals. So as of now, the format which we have designed from the education department, that is specifically for the community managed schools.
Their willingness to hand over the management from SSA to the education department. So out of 3,000 plus community schools across the state, they have received the willingness of 2,000 plus community schools.
Ka jenglong ka sun peneng Kamiglaya kelapin